Welcome, guys, to lesson number 11. Today we'll talk about AI avatar. So, for certain channels or brands, there will be always a mascot or avatar in this case. You can create your own avatar or you can import one if you have and add a speech to that avatar and make him or her or it speaking. So, if you don't have an avatar, you click on Photo to Avatar, Create with Photo. I have an avatar from my channel, which is Look It Like a Champ. It's a gaming channel. So I uploaded my avatar, which is this fox. Now you click on Next. Put your script. Here you can choose the voice.
Hey, gamer, if you love discovering hidden details, crazy
crazy gaming stories, and bite-sized gaming documentaries, you're in the right place. From gaming history to secrets, lore, and everything in between, there's always something new to explore. So hit that follow button and join the adventure. You never know what game we'll uncover next. See you in the next video.
Okay, so now we'll upload the media and get our avatar speaking. This is a premium feature. It will cost us 64 credits. Click on Allow and now we wait. Here applying 46 credits to AI avatar. Let me hide this first.
Hey, gamer, if you love discovering hidden details, crazy gaming stories, and bite-sized gaming documentaries, you're in the right place. From gaming history to secrets, lore, and...
Okay, now we wait for the applying. Now it's done. Now we go to avatar library. So this is my avatar right now. Here I go with full body. Then we go on next. We enter the same as before.
Hey, gamer, if you love discovering hidden details, crazy gaming stories, and bite-sized gaming documentaries, you're in the right place.
Okay, now we click on generate.
Secrets, lore, and everything in between, there's always...
And again, we wait. So the text was too long. I need more of a short version. So that would be it. Again, generate. So I click on apply. Now, after it was generated, let's preview it.
Hey, gamer, if you love discovering hidden details, crazy gaming stories, and bite-sized gaming documentaries, you're in the right place.
So for clothing, first you upload the clothing you want to apply. It's either a human or some pets, like dogs or cats. I uploaded this one. Now you can choose from the list or you can keep it on auto. I'll try with auto. Here you have the duration, 3 seconds, 5 seconds. Let's put it on 3 and click on generate. Okay. Now we have the generated footage. Let's preview it together. Okay. As you see, you got it from multiple angles. Here for the video translator, you upload the video you want to translate. Then you choose the language, you activate the lip sync and translate. Let us try this. Here I uploaded the video. I want to translate to Arabic. We click on Translate and Allow. Apply. Now it's processing right here. Now it's done. Let's click on play.
اليوم حنتكلم عن خوارزمية وسائل التواصل الاجتماعي. إذا كنت تريد الحصول على مشاهدات أكثر بجهد أقل فمن الضروري أن تفهم كيف تعمل الخوارزميات بالفعل، وبمجرد أن تتعلم هذا أضمن لك
It's 100% accurate because Arabic is my native language, so the translation is 100% accurate and no flaws. One last thing, AI dialogue scene. You upload the character, you enter the dialogue, you put the voice you want, or you can add your own audio, then you click on generate. So that would be it for the AI Avatar tab. If you like this video, please hit the like button and subscribe for my channel. And see you in the next lesson.